What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my garage. Just received another Amazon package here. As you guys can see, just opened it up and I just ordered this Rugged Ridge Hitch skid plate, as you guys can see here. So it's for your basic 2-inch receiver, and I'm gonna put it on my Jeep. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to open this with one hand, but let's give it a shot. Yep, got it. The staples are pretty. Let's check out the quality on this thing. Alright. Definitely well packed. Pretty good from here. So this is 1/4-inch steel, right? So like I said, it's a skid plate. It's a Rugged Ridge. Is that the model number? 55025830. Maybe, not sure. I'll leave the description below. So let's just go slide it on the back of the Jeep, see what this thing looks like. Alright guys, so it's just going to slide in there like that. How many holes? You got 2 holes, so you can position it out there, or you can go in a little closer, about right there. It's not bad. Not bad. Sticks out a little bit, but definitely not bad. It's definitely heavy duty. Looks like it's good quality. Again, I'll leave the description below if you guys are interested. Appreciate you watching. I'll catch you next time.